In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use AI on Squarespace. To get started, open your browser and go to the Squarespace AI website builder page. This is the area where Squarespace introduces its AI-powered website creation tools, and it is designed to help you build a starting version of your site faster than beginning from a blank page. Once you are on the page, look for the option to start a trial. Starting a trial gives you access to the website builder so you can explore the tools, test the AI features, and see how your site could look before committing to anything long-term. After you begin the trial, Squarespace will guide you into a setup process. This is where the AI starts collecting the information it needs to create a website draft that actually fits your needs. You will be asked a questionnaire about your business, your industry, and your goals. Take your time with these questions because your answers help shape the direction of the site. For example, if your business is service-based, creative, retail-focused, or personal brand-focused, the AI can use that context to suggest a structure that makes sense. When you are answering the questionnaire, try to be clear and specific, while still keeping your answers simple. The goal is not to write a full business plan. The goal is to give Squarespace enough direction so it can understand what kind of website you are trying to create. Your industry helps the AI choose relevant layouts. Your business description helps it generate more appropriate text. Your goals help it decide what the website should emphasize, such as showcasing services, presenting a portfolio, or introducing a brand. Once the questionnaire is complete, you will be asked to choose a brand personality. This is an important part of the process because it affects the overall tone and style of the website. Squarespace may show options such as professional, bold, quirky, or similar personality types. Choose the one that best matches the way you want visitors to experience your brand. A professional personality may feel clean and polished. A bold personality may feel more energetic and attention-grabbing. A quirky personality may feel more playful and creative. After you select your brand personality, Squarespace AI will begin generating a draft of your website. This draft can include layouts, images, and written content based on the information you provided. At this stage, you are not looking at a final website. You are looking at a starting point. The AI is doing the early design work for you, so you do not have to begin with an empty page or make every design decision from scratch. Once the draft appears, take a moment to review the overall structure. Look at the sections the AI created, the images it selected, and the content it placed on the page. Pay attention to whether the layout matches the type of website you want. The draft may already be close to what you need, or it may simply give you a strong foundation that you can adjust. Next, customize the draft using the Squarespace drag-and-drop editor. This is where you can refine the site and make it feel more like your own. You can move sections around, adjust layouts, edit text, and replace images as needed. The drag-and-drop editor is meant to be visual, so you can click into parts of the page and make changes directly. As you customize, focus on clarity first. Make sure the content explains who you are, what you offer, and what visitors should understand when they land on your website. The AI gives you a helpful starting point, but your edits are what make the website accurate and personal to your brand, and that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know to use AI on Squarespace.